You trying to build an ultra-realistic avatar like this one that moves its hands naturally, walks and talks like a real human, and keeps the audio perfectly in sync? That's the vibe. We're gonna break down a few different ways to create your own AI avatar so you can whip one up anytime, no stress, no headache. And hey, if one method bugs out or doesn't hit right, no worries, another one's gonna come through. So if that sounds like what you're after, you're definitely in the right spot.
All right, first up, in creating your AI avatar, we need to lock in the image. Before you jump in, decide on the vibe you want. Are you going for an anime-style, cartoonish, or realistic look? For this tutorial, I'm sticking with a realistic style. I've also dropped a Google Docs link in the description. It's packed with ready-to-use avatar prompts to help you create something awesome. And if none of those prompts hit the mark, no worries. You can always ask ChatGPT to generate one custom for you. All right, let's get started. To make my avatar photo, I'm rolling with this site called Revi, links down in the description. Just hop on the site, log in, and plug in the prompt I gave you to make your avatar. Switch up a few words to keep it fresh and make it your own. In my prompt, for example, I flipped short to long and dropped the brown hair part. You can tweak it however you vibe with. When I hit enter the first time, it wasn't quite it, so I tried again and asked it to zoom out a little, and then boom, finally got the result. This site works kinda like Nano Banana for editing, super chill and easy to mess with. You can totally use Nano Banana too, if that's more your thing. All right, let's clone an avatar the easy way, no cap. First, you need your target. Head over to the person's YouTube channel and snag a super clear screenshot of the avatar you want to mimic. Got the pic? Sweet. That's where the real magic kicks in, at elmarina.ai. Find the GPT-5 chat option and tap it. Pro tip, you gotta drop a quick "hey" to unlock the image upload feature. Then instantly upload the screenshot you just grabbed. Now for the slick part, the prompt. Paste the custom prompt I hooked you up with right under the image. Once the system spits out that fresh new text description, we move. Take that new prompt and head over to Replicate or whatever image gen tool you're vibing with. Paste it in, hit run, and boom, you've got yourself a next-level professional AI avatar that's basically a clone of the original, but fully yours. All right, we've got our avatar locked in, so let's slide into step 2. But real talk, if you're not feeling the whole build-it-yourself vibe, you can totally hire someone on Fiverr to handle it for you. Folks there can hook you up for like 10 to 20 bucks. Tops. And if you're hunting for an editor or a thumbnail designer on the cheap, you can score some solid talent there too. Links sitting in the description if you want to peep it. Step 2. Evoking emotions. All right, now that you've locked in your avatar pic, let's bring it to life for real. Time to give it some spark, make it wave, smile, maybe even hit a little head tilt. For that, you'll need a video generation model. We're rolling with Google Veo 3.1, but any solid image-to-video tool will do the trick. Jump over to the platform and toss in the avatar image you just cooked up. Next up, it's prompt time. Paste that prompt in, smash enter, and watch the system flip your still image into a short, lively video clip. You can snag the pre-made animation prompt I dropped for you, or cook up your own custom one with a little help from GPT. Just describe what you want it to do, maybe wave its hand, throw a subtle head tilt, or flash a big, hyped-up smile.
So the main thing you want to focus on is consistency. If you can show up every day, even for an hour, you'll see results quickly.
Want to make your avatar walk? Same deal. Upload the pic again, punch in a walking prompt, hit run, and boom, you've got a smooth, natural-looking video of your digital self on the move.
Accessing the mainframe is only the first step. The real challenge is remaining undetected once you're inside the system.
Congrats! You officially just leveled up your static image into a legit, expressive digital character that's ready to light up your content. Now we're hitting the real deal, the lip sync part. This step's crucial. So from here till the end, keep your eyes locked on the screen if you're serious about building your own avatar from scratch. After we dial in the lip sync, I'll break down a couple of different ways to pull it off, plus drop some slick hacks. That way, you've got multiple routes to craft your avatar like a boss. Stick with the video, and if you're feeling the vibe, go ahead and smash that like button to keep the momentum rolling. The step 3 is lip syncing. Now that your avatar can move and express basic emotions, the next big, game-changing step is to make it talk and perfectly match the speech with movement. Let's dive into lip syncing. This is the part that truly brings your digital character to life. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do using Dreamface, which I run inside the Android emulator called LD Player. Quick note, you can use Dreamface directly on an Android phone, but for Windows users, LD Player is the best solution for seamless PC integration. Unfortunately, iOS users will find the direct app path tricky, so the emulator is key. Once everything is set up, the workflow is simple. Inside LD Player, click the shared folder icon and select this PC shared folder. That's your bridge. Now, copy the animated video file you created in the last step, along with the audio file you want to sync, dialogue, narration, etc., and paste both into that shared folder. Now both are ready. Download and open the Dreamface app. On the home screen, you'll see two options: photo lip sync and video lip sync. You must choose video lip sync. Choosing the photo option will lose all the facial expressions and emotional nuances we just worked so hard to create. After selecting the video option, import your moving avatar video and attach the audio file. I highly recommend the audio file over a text script, as it delivers far more natural synchronization. Tap the button to start the rendering process. Dreamface will analyze the visuals and the sound, but once it's finished, you'll have a fully lip-synced version, your avatar speaking or singing convincingly. Once rendering is done, save the final video in HD quality to preserve all that smoothness. To get the file back to your computer, go back to the LD Player main screen and open the file manager. Navigate to Movies is greater than Dreamface. Find your new video, and click the shared folder icon again, this time choosing the Android shared folder. Select your video and click Copy Selection here. The final talking avatar video will appear in your computer's shared folder, ready for final edits and upload. And remember, I'll mention a few alternative lip sync tools later if you want to experiment.
Like and subscribe if you are enjoying the video, it means a lot. And also tell me what next video you want to watch about AI content creation.
We've hit the most hyped part of this whole process, the bonus section. By now, you already know how to build avatars, get them moving, and sync their lips perfectly with Dreamface. But let's kick it up a notch. I've got a couple of other lip sync tools you seriously gotta check out. These ones are freemium, meaning you get some cool features for free, and if you're feeling fancy, you can unlock extra perks with a paid plan. Even the free tiers hit hard for testing stuff out and leveling up your custom avatar vids. First up, the tool I use on the regular lip sync video. This site's a total gem for syncing audio with animated faces. Once you sign up, they toss you a few free credits so you can test drive it without spending a dime. And the quality? Straight up impressive. The lip movement and emotion syncing are on point, which makes it perfect for creators chasing that legit realistic feel. Just like Dreamface, the setup's a breeze. You upload your avatar, drop in an audio file or script, and boom, a clean synced clip in minutes. Only real catch is the free account cap, but still totally worth a spin to see how it stacks up. Next on deck, Hey General. You've probably seen this one blowing up all over social media and AI forums. It's another freemium setup, and it lets you make up to 3 short clips, about 15 seconds each. That might sound tiny, but trust me, the results slap. Hey Gen handles lip sync, hand gestures, and body movement all in one go. Unlike lip sync video, you don't have to fuss with the hand animation. It just does its thing automatically, giving your avatar a way more natural vibe. If you're after quick, expressive videos without a bunch of prep time, this one's a no-brainer. All the links are chillin' in the description, so you can peep them anytime. Before we wrap this up, here's a quick heads up. I'm always out here scouting for fully free tools that can do top-tier avatar creation and lip sync with zero limits. The minute I find one that actually hits different, I'll showcase it in an upcoming vid. So yeah, smash that subscribe button to stay plugged in. It's a tiny click that keeps you in the loop for every new tip, trick, and wild AI tool worth your time. Now that you've nailed designing avatars, making them walk, move, and talk, it's time to level up with one final creative flex: thumbnails. Even the dopest avatar won't catch eyeballs if your video doesn't pop on the feed. So learning how to craft fire thumbnails is just as key as mastering animation. Head over to the next vid on my channel, where I'll walk you step by step through designing thumbnails that grab attention like crazy. Much love for sticking around.